Mula sa pagpapaganda mga ka-RSP hanggang sa pagnenegosyo, patok ngayon ang eyelash industry na nagbubukas ng pagkakakitaan para sa marami. Alamin kung paano ito naging beauty trend at umuusbong na negosyo hanggang ngayon. Let's all watch this.
To start off, let's talk about your business journeys. Can you walk us through, Miss Leia? How did you start the business?
We started 2013. You know naman very well our kumare, your Ate Dimpos Romana. So, we come up with the idea because we notice women in general dito sa Pilipinas, meron silang malulungkuting mata. Maikli yung pilik mata nila and definitely parang kailangan mag-wear ng heavy makeup. We come up with this kind of idea na bakit hindi tayo mag-come up with a beauty na you can walk up with a very natural looking na lashes pa lang buhay na buhay na.
We also have here with us Miss Chi, our franchisee. So what made you decide to franchise this kind of business?
First, kasi babae tayo. Kapag babae ka, kailangan presentable ka, kailangan lagi kang pretty. Of course, may asawa tayo. Actually, I was scrolling down, searching for a franchise na that could cater to women. From there, nag-usap na kami ni Miss Leia. Eto na, nag-open na tayo dito sa Ana Buimos, Cavite.
There are a lot of businesses out there na pwedeng makatulong para umangat po ang buhay ninyo. At isa doon yung franchising business. So franchising business, Miss Leia, what is the advantage if you franchise a business?
The advantage of having a franchise, you already have a business model or system na gagamitin mo na lang. And of course, you have a marketable market already because of the celebrity ambassadors that supporting us since day one until today.
Miss Chi, based on your experience, ano naman yung mga struggles and challenges mo while building this business of yours?
First challenge is paghahanap ng location. But thankfully, franchisor was able to help us find good locations.
Importante rin talaga in a good business is a good location. Both of you, advice or lessons that you have learned along the way that you can share with our mga kanegosyo if they want to start up a business like this?
Una sa lahat, kailangan may magandang relationship ang franchisor at franchisee because together, that partnership will grow into something na may pagmamalaki, di ba? Because partners kami, so we will grow together with this business.
Huwag kayong matakot. Just go for your dreams. Start today and start your dream business and nothing is impossible basta sundin nyo lang lahat ng pangarap nyo.
Opportunities don't happen. You create them. Yan po ipinakita sa atin ng business owners na sila Miss Leia Urbani and Miss Chi Odak. More business stories pa ang ibabahagi namin sa inyo mga kanegosyo sa susunod nating pagkikita. Kaya naman tara, negosyo tayo!